Importance of management. Management is the single most important thing in a company. But for an outsider to know great management versus good management versus terrific management versus average management, tough to do. Tough to do. Because you only get an hour at people, sometimes a half an hour. And how do you know what decisions they didn't make? A lot of great companies have been made because the company didn't make an acquisition. They didn't get rid of the division. They don't put in the annual report, we didn't get rid of the tubing division. You know, you don't hear about that. Somebody said, made a brilliant decision, we're going to hold on to that thing, we're going to fix it, and it's doing great. Now, they might be doing great because some management 8 years ago did it right, or some did something right 5 years ago. That person isn't there anymore. Or they didn't make any acquisitions, or they expanded at the right time. So knowing what management, what they can add to it, it's the single most important thing, very hard to measure. I've always said, I'd like to have a company any fool can run, because eventually one will. And you really want to do that. When I bought Toys R Us, they had the formula right. Any 4 people in this room and me could have run Toys R Us. We wouldn't have done as well as they did. They're spectacular. But for the next 15 years, we had no competition, we had a great formula, we could have rolled with it. They probably would have done 3 times as good. They were the frosting on the cake, but they had the formula right, no competition, the department stores know what they're doing, there was no copycats, and they were going to just roll for the next 25 years. Same with Circuit City. So I want the story to be solid. If management can add anything on top of it, that's great. I want to buy the story. Assume management leaves the next day and they're replaced by the next generation. That's fine with me. If management can add something to it, that's great. I'm not going to buy it because people say they have great management. Because you'll notice great management is always attached to stock's been up the last 8 years. You ever notice that? Because I looked at Reynolds Metals. I used to follow Reynolds Metals. The stock has had the same person run it for like 30 years. When the aluminum was tight, they'd say Reynolds Metals has great management. Aluminum going oversupply, says these people are idiots. Then aluminum get tight, they say these people are terrific. I mean, it all to do with the price of aluminum. And they keep rating the management by how the stock's doing. It's very hard to measure management. It'd be wonderful to do. If you could spend months with them, really see them in action, then you'd know, but you don't really get that chance.